Aritra, I think I would not be attending today. So yeah, I'm quitting. Okay, thank you.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Okay, in there, please introduce yourself.
Yeah. Hey, this is Inder.
Your voice is breaking.
This is Inder. I'm interested in startup, so I'm here learning about startup and communication skills. That's it.
Okay, so myself, Paritra Mukherjee, I am from Kolkata and right now I am pursuing BBA at entrepreneurship from ILIT College and I want to start my own company. Thank you. Okay, so in there,
Entrepreneurship.
yeah, BBA in entrepreneurship.
What is actually this?
Yes.
What is actually it? BBA entrepreneurship.
Right now they are teaching about franchise business, new business opportunities, new business idea,
Oh,
online business, this kind of stuff.
okay, okay.
This course is for those who want to start their own business.
Okay, so you have any idea? You're going to start your business?
Yeah, I have a startup idea.
Which one? Can you explain?
Yeah, I want to build my company in the mental health industry.
Mental
Actually,
health industry.
yeah, mental
Okay,
health
right,
because it is a booming industry right now.
right.
Actually, what I want to do is I want to create an online platform where I could connect the psychologist and the patient together. Because
Okay.
you see, in our country, India, there's a lot of stigma attached to mental health. Because
Yeah, right,
people, if a person visit a psychologist, then the society would think that he's a psycho or lunatic or he's weak.
right, right.
So that's why people feel shy. So in order to break that stigma, there must be an online platform.
Yeah, it's good. So, do you have any idea how you gonna spread this? How you gonna market this? How people know about your platform? Do you have any idea and you have plan?
And I'm going to use the skill of digital marketing to do that. Because
So for
in order
that you
to create
need
an online platform,
investment.
you need to know digital marketing.
So, but for that you need investment, right?
Yes,
If you want to go with digital marketing, then you should have funding at least.
I should have.
Funding. You
Yeah,
need to invest.
funding. Right now I'm earning money from learning while traveling itself. I'm saving money.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
After graduation, I would start.
So you mean you invest in digital marketing to spread this to people
Yeah.
get know about, right?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Yeah.
Okay, so as I
You
said,
saying something? Yeah.
I would.
You saying something about Zerodha? You were saying something about Zerodha.
Yeah. So what I am asking is, can you give a brief intro about Zerodha?
Yeah, actually, I used Zerodha. Okay, it's really very interesting and it's a very transparent platform. Even I use Upstock, I use Sharekhan, and I use something else. One is also there that I used, but the Zerodha is really good. And I don't know that much about share market, but yeah, as the innovation they did, it's good. They really, it's yeah. I see that Harshad Mehta movie. You see that Harshad
No,
Mehta?
scam 1992.
Yeah,
No, not yet, not
yeah,
yet.
yes. Yeah, where you can see now how the stock market work there. It's like people were shouting that buy this stock at this price, buy this stock at this price. So definitely they make innovation in technology. It's a good thing. What about you think about Zerodha?
Well, I just get to know about it today. It's an investment firm, or you can say a financial service company where people can invest without any barrier. Because
Yeah, right,
its main purpose is to disrupt the stock market, where people face many difficulties. Because you see,
right.
Zerodha means zero barrier. The name was explained.
Yeah,
Zero means zero, and Rodha means no barrier. So without
no
any
barrier, right.
barriers,
No
it is
filters.
providing a
Yeah,
solution. Yeah.
yeah, right. Hmm.
Okay, so you saw the scam, the web series.
Yeah, I have seen.
Okay, please
That's
give
really
a
awesome,
brief.
man.
Can you explain the movie?
Okay,
I
actually,
wanted to know.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Actually, there is one person. His name Harshad. He were just a very like from the middle class family. He just earning like 8,000. He just did so many jobs and he is not satisfied with job. So he just went. He's saying his wife that one day I will become somebody, and he just saying that I have to do something big. He said, okay, let's see. So he went his wife that I want to do, I want to see what kind of this market is. I want to leap in market. I want to jump into market. He said, okay. So he went with some brokerage firm and he started his. So he thought that actually he then started the making money. So he make some monies. He said it's okay. So after that he what happened? He actually he just booked a very big loss. He made actually big mistake. After that he get to know he just all the how much money he earned, all money flashed. So he thought okay, so the market actually work on the best information. So he thought that we need the inside information of that company which we are trading. So they wanted that company, their the labor that what is going in your company, what cooking inside your company. So they taking their information, and then he just started saying the all person that invest with me. I have a we are the good investor, and he give actually good return. Okay, so these are going good and good. Okay, after that he just started his own business. Everything is going good. Okay, but after he actually this is in a very slow. This is the process that he actually earning in that thing, but he wanted to earn very quick and he wanted to do so big. So what happened now? There is one thing called I don't know what actually that called. It's mean actually there are three four things. One is stock market, one is money market. Okay, that time money market is the main thing that controlled by Citibank. Okay, hello. So
Yeah,
what?
I can hear
So
you.
he wanted to enter in money market. So what happened? He just made a deal with SBI. That what actually that I forget that security slip something kind of that. So he what happened now? If suppose you are the customer of SBI, okay, and Harsat Mehta is the dealer like broker with SBI. So he took the fund from SBI and he took that fund for 14 days with him. Okay, and after 14 days he giving that customer, but he should give that the same days. So he doing this kind of thing like 14 days he holding that kind of money of that much customers, and he investing in the share market. Af- After 14 days, he doing this kind of thing. Just hold a while. Hello,
Yeah,
can
I
you hear
can hear
me?
you. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So what happened now? So there is a one journalist. He just wanted to expose this. Actually, so many. Actually, these thing doing everybody. Okay, but not that much in that much on a skill. Actually, he come in everyone eyes that he doing something. He doing something. So that journalist just went to he just following every time him, and he just wanted to expose him. So what happened? Actually, he made a query. Inquiry set it on SBI, and which those who are helping him like that time this is getting exposed this kind of. After that CBI came to his home and like so many kind of that, and what he was before he again became to he come back to there. It was 4,000 crore scam. That time it was the biggest scam. So this kind of stories. You get what I said? You are my English is poor, so you didn't get that much.
No,
Did you
I
get
get.
what I said? Yeah,
I
so this
understand.
is the that kind of story. Yeah.
Okay, so
So
how do you like the movie? Do you like it?
yeah, I like movie. Yeah, movie was really awesome. You should
Movie,
watch
not
it.
web
Movie is
series.
nice.
It's a web series.
Web series, web series. Yeah, it's a web series.
So how
Really
much
nice.
would you rate
I
it
think that
under 10 out of 10?
actually I like it's really based on true story, and it's happened in everybody's life. Sometimes it's happened not in that level, but it happened in quite level. So I like to this movie. I like to give five. I'll give five. It's a good movie.
5.
It's not time wasting. Yeah, 5 out of 5.
5, so
You
less?
can relate this movie if you will watch a 5 out of 5. I told you now. Five out
No,
of
I
five.
said out of 10.
Okay, 10 out of 10.
Okay, okay. Fine.
Yeah. Because if you will watch it, you can see that you will relate it. You can feel that it's a real life going ahead you. Everything that how the CBI treat people and how they actually politicians are there. He actually managed so many politicians to fund and that kind of things are there. But when he wanted to help them, then nobody helped him. That kind of things he paid money to PM. So these kind of things were happened. So many real things that you can learn from there. That yeah, it's happened this kind of in real life. These are the yeah.
So,
You say
do you think
yeah.
this web series can help an aspiring entrepreneur to learn something new, which they could implement in
Yeah,
their
yeah.
startup?
Absolutely, absolutely. It's teach them the what is the actually failure is. That nobody knows
You
about the
teach them?
failure. What is it teach the failure. What is
Okay.
actually failure? You can learn from that movie. What is actually failure? Everybody know about the success, but if you want to like leave the failure, just watch that movie. You will leave for a while. You will leave the failure.
So,
Yeah.
do you know about any other? Would you recommend any other web series or any other movies for aspiring
Okay.
entrepreneurs?
Entrepreneurs, you can watch the Facebook. There is a movie. I think you watched it. The Facebook.
Which one?
The Facebook.
The Facebook.
Yeah.
I guess the social
So the
network.
social network.
Yeah,
Yeah,
social
the
network. I watched
social
the
network.
movie. Yeah, yeah. Social
Yeah, I
network.
already watched. Yeah, actually, is there not any that much movie on startup? Yeah. Actually, for startup, you need a startup is very simple thing. If you are interested, that I think startup should be it's economically affordable. Whatever your startup is, it should be economically affordable and it should save your time in any manner. If the any you just took any invention, any startup, you will see that saving the people's time and that is the economically affordable. It means it's more valuable. See any innovation. If you can do these two things, you are the gainer. Like in your startup, you can see you just giving the opportunity to people that you no need to visit. You no need to visit doctor chamber. You can online consult, and it's all about consult like psychologist problem. And if you can invent like that kind of things that he prescription he gave the prescription on phone and he went to medical shop and he just took the medicines, so he saved the time of not even save the time of that person. You save the time of that doctor. You save the whole you save the time of India actually. If you see in a large scale, you save the GDP. Got it? It's effect. Like you went to a you took a bus or you use your bike, whatever. There are so many things inside this. So you did lot of things, but you have to be make it practical. That is the big deal for you, and it should be like everybody knows about the main thing in a startup. Na marketing is the main thing. One is one of the also parameter how people will know about your. So many startups just die just because of nobody knows about them. They were not focusing on the marketing. Yeah, sometime it's happened. So this is the thing.
Okay, so
Yeah.
uh, how do you think passion could contribute towards the success of startup? Because you see the
How?
Zero the founder, passion. The Zero the founders, they had a lot of passion for their startup. So how do you think passion could contribute for success for any startup?
Boss, actually, your voice is totally break. Please come
Yeah,
again.
my question was, can you hear me now?
Yeah, now you are properly. I can hear you.
How do you think passion could contribute towards startup success?
Okay. First thing I would like to tell you that if you have no passion, then you can't start off. You can't do any startup because the startup mainly need creativity and it's need dedication and hard work. If you have no passion, where you will bring this hardware and
Do you think hard work and passion both are equal? Hard work, dedication, and passion. Do you think both of them are equal? I guess there's a difference between hard work and passion.
Did you did any work that your
Yes.
creativity and anything, you're that much hard work? You can, I'm asking what actually you did today. Did you use your curiosity or creativity and hard work and dedication that much?
Your voice is breaking in there. Can you repeat again
Not
what you
now.
just said?
Actually, there is a flight. Let it be cross. Otherwise, it will break network. Now I'm audible to you.
Yeah, yeah. Now you're audible.
I'm saying first thing in India. In India, you can took it overall the world. People are not hardworking. People are not hardworking.
Not
They are
hardworking.
doing work because they not hardworking. Actually, I'm not talking about everyone. I'm talking about the majority. I can explain it. Hello.
Well, majority of the people are, I guess, farmers, laborers. They work hard all the day. Or rickshaw pullers. They work hard day and night.
Okay. Hard work means not physically. Actually, physically hard work is that is a work. We can't say that is a hard work. You need their power. You need their strength. So we can't say hard work. Hard work, which work we should consider hard work? This is the my limit. I can do this from this to this. If I pushing that limit, that is the hard work. Got it? If you are a
Yeah.
software coder, you can code for 2 hours. So if you doing this code for 6 hours and 10 hours, that is the actually hard work. Got it? You existing your limit, you crossing your limit. So the thing is, in India, you tell me now what how that whatever you did today. Okay, is it possible that you can did so many things today also? Did you use your perfectly 13 hours, like 12 hours? Did you use your 12 hours in a best way that you can use in a
Well,
better
there's
way?
always some gap. There's nothing called perfection.
Yeah,
Perfection
always
doesn't
some gap.
exist.
Okay, can you measure that gap? How much hour that gap is actually? If you calculate from Monday to Sunday, every day, what is that? We have 24 hours.
Yeah.
I'm just minus 12 hour for personal life. Okay, after 12 hour, can you calculate? You, are you sure that you're using that 12 hour in a proper way? I can guess you can. I'm sure that you maybe you are using 6 hours in a good manner. And if you are using 6 hours, that is the best. That is the best ever. Got it? And the
Yeah.
where is 6 hours? But you can do so many things in that 6 hours. But people not doing actually. They can do. They can use their time in a better way. But they are not using. Got it? So the thing is, you see now, if you went to bank, okay, they will say, oh, okay, don't this you bring this document. You went somewhere in anything, they will not do in government. You will see they will not do your work in a one time. They will say go and come back tomorrow. Actually, they are not harming. They actually wasted that person. Actually okay. Just leave it now. Our point was to people were not hardworking that much. Those really doing little bit of hard working, they are successful in their life. Got it? So
Yeah.
hard working means what? You giving your best where. That is the actually hard working. So the entrepreneurs are they very passionate. Passionate means what you really want from the inside your. Got it?
Your voice is
So
breaking
if
again.
you are not something what I'm saying, entrepreneur is about to where you are doing, you are wanted to do something inside from you, right? If something coming inside from you, then you can give your best there. You will use their strength, your curiosity, your creativity, your emotions. You will focus there. And if you working for someone and if you have some work, do this to this, so you will not use their, like our mind is actually, na, I'm telling you one important thing. Our DNA is not to not made for these kind of things which we are doing now. I'm talking to you, these are not in DNA, these are our needs, so we are doing. Our DNA is based in two things. If we are hungry, we need food, and if we are tired, we need rest. and something called intimate. We should use generation and generation. So our naturality is this. People saying now, be natural, be natural. So naturality is this: eat and rest, eat and rest, and just take your generations. So this is our naturality. But what actually we wanted to do something beyond our our naturality, right? These are not our got it. So where people not able to do if they wanted now, that it's a thing I should do here, I should be loyal and kind of, and people where are not loyal because our the base now, humanity base is not on loyalty. Got it. From the ancient time, nobody is loyal for no one's. Like I'm giving you the example what actually human did. They were using goat for their milk, they're using horse for riding, they're using ass for transferring some, like some goods to somewhere to another ones, like you got it. They use pigeons to send messages. What actually they're doing, those who are weaker than us, they're just using them. So the human body will learning that if you are weaker than me, I'll use you. If I'm weaker than you, then you will use me. Got it. I mean to say that our mind is I'll see what we can say. It's a very
Lazy.
not, yeah, not actually we can say lazy. It's calm chore kind of that. It's not hardworking actually. We just find every time easy things, and rest maximum of people are where they're doing the things on two things. Mainly they're doing the things because they have to do. Otherwise, no option. They have to do. If someone point you gun point, then you will do it. Whatever he will say. Got it. If I'll say you, please Arithro, do this for me, na. Please Arithro, you will do. You will not do. If I'll say you I'll give you that much money, you will do it for 1 and 2 times for best. After that your mind will be used to, you will not do in that manner and with that much interested. In starting you can do it, but after some time like 1 year and 2 years, you are not able to do it continuously. Got it. So what was the actually point?
What was?
What you asked me actually?
No, no.
Yeah.
This was the question about hard work.
Yeah, hard way. No, the question was
Differentiate
why
between passion
passionate
and hard
something.
work.
Okay, passionate and hard work. Actually, we can't differentiate this. For if we starting something startup, so we these both things are in the same. It's not if you are passionate, so hardworking come back to it. Okay, and if you are working hard, so it's your passion. If you're working hard there, it means that is your passion actually. If it's not it's not your passion, you can't hard work, because you can do it for 1 hour, 2 hour, 1 day, 2 days, but you can't maintain it regular. You can do it for one, after that you left it. If there is your patience, then hard work come. If you are if you are really wanted, then you got in a both are
Yeah, yeah. I'm
these
getting it.
both come with me. This is the thing. This is my point. What is your viewpoint about this?
Well, I would say it in short. I would say in case of passion, if you are passionate about something, then you won't feel like working at all because it's coming from inside. While hard
Yeah,
work,
right.
in case of hard work, I would say that let's suppose you hate to do one thing, but still you know that you have to do it for your own good. Then you have to work hard for it because in your mind you are hating it. Your mind is telling you to not to do it because you hate that work, but you know that you have to do it for maybe for financial reason or any for you to support your family. So in that case, I would do hard work. Hard work would answer. But in case of passion, passion comes automatically. It does
Okay,
not
okay,
require
okay.
any
Now,
energy.
yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. And now I get your point actually. Yeah, yeah. Now you can say, yeah, these things are different here. You can say, like somebody is there, he actually working, so he getting a money, but he need more money. That time he will work hard, and if if he will work hard, then that passion will come with there. What it I mean, what is actually passion? It comes when something comes from the inside. It's not mean that is your, if you are talented in that, then the passion will come. What is actually passion? Passion means which thing you like. If you follow that, this is the passion. And if you interested in something for some time, for short term, that became also your passion. Got it? If you will work hard, if you need more money, then you will use everything, right? Or it's happened that you can't use everything. You will not use your dedication.
Sure.
What do you think? Like you are a salesman, you earning a money of 9,000 every month, and now you get the pressure of money, so you working extra time, and you have to increase your sale. So you were doing hard work, and I think the passion will come with that, or not come.
Sure.
What do you think? It's
Yeah, I
come
agree with
or
you.
it's not come? Okay.
Okay, in
Really
there,
agree with
I
you?
guess, yeah, in there,
Yeah. I'm
yeah,
saying
I
you
guess we are
really
running
agree
out
with
of
me,
time
or
now.
you just saying? Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's already
Actually,
10:50. I am supposed to end the meeting at
yeah, we,
10:45. So we would talk
and
again about it on Monday. Okay.
okay, so we both are only here.
Yeah,
Okay, no, Preeti is here.
Preeti is also. Okay, so
Okay.
thank you, Inder. Good night. Thank you for coming.
Preeti, your voice is breaking actually.
No issue. We will have a
Your voice is
tomorrow startup.
Preeti,
hello.
you're not audible actually.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah, now it's better.
Just give me
Okay, Preeti, you can end the meeting. I guess we are running late.